Hello everyone. I hope you are well and healthy today. We will talk today Kartal Package. I will tell what is Kartal Package, how to use your project, and what provides you. Okay. Kartal Package is helper. I mean that Kartal Package helper library for your project. What is helper? I have many project on application App Store or Play Store, and I saw that I repeat all of many like features or like variables, and I think how to don't write again new project, and I wrote Kartal package, and he's ready to use now in last for 2 months. Yeah, while to 2 months. Yeah, okay. Kartal packet is description is very s- certain, very describe this. What is this? What do you do? What it do you do? Kartal is an extension package for easy to use at app development time. You can access more features with primitive types. What is primitive types? We will talk about primitive types. Primitive types like context, like string or list, blah blah blah. Okay, we know context, K of point, many, many, no, many, all Flutter project K of points context, and I add um, new features with context variables. So you can everywhere use these features because you know you have a context variable every widget. You use maybe status or stateful, but maybe you don't have a string variable or list variable or any other variable types, but you know you must be you have to you must have a context variable, and I write many features in with context variable. Okay, um, this package also to this package provides to easy feature provides to features or variables easy to use on project. Okay, we know that now. And now I'm looking my notes. Okay, I tell everything. Okay. Let's look what we have and what those package is have. What does package have features or variables? Kartal package, you can look pubdev every time, and you know that you see that I supported now safety options. It's package safety now, safety. Feature extension, like looking like let's look what we have. Feature extension. What is feature extension? Feature extension is mean that if you want to fetch, if you want to take any data on backend or service layer, you must be right feature function or feature variable. You want take data, wait many times or little or sometimes, and his return to data or error or your business code, your business data. I added this extension. What it do? This extension. Look at this fetch dummy data. Fetch dummy data return to string value. Maybe you this data return your backend. I said fetch dummy data. You have any feature functions, and you can take object in backend layer. You just call fetch dummy data dot to build, and you can directly add types, and you can return on success to return your data for is string, and you just you have a some state, maybe loading, or your phone is network is not found, or your backend layer is returned to error. That's work now. Loading widgets and not found widget and on error is directly work. Yeah, so that you can very little your features that to build, and you return to widget, and you draw what you want in this scope. Okay, what we have more? Context extension, container extension. I love that. Maybe many applications use height or width property, and you write 10,000 or 2,000 directly. You have iPhone 6 or iPhone 11. Your screen size dynamically change, but you write constant variable this layer. Maybe looking iPhone 7, iPhone 7 little, but iPhone of 11 very very little. So you can use dynamic height or dynamic width, and this mean that your size, container size, 10% or 2%. Your font size is always changeability, but it doesn't matter for me because I write dynamic height or dynamic width. Yeah, you have a context pop context navigation option. So is keyboard I love because maybe some features need keyboard open options. You call you write maybe app bar show to logo for your is keyboard state. You just call context dot is keyboard open, and you can access keyboard state, and you define productivity code. I love padding because padding low padding this layer have a padding low, padding medium, and padding vertical low, padding horizontal low. Uh, I I wrote this extension, this padding constant. So uh, many application use padding, and developer write directly code. This means that he is write padding age inside all 8 or 10, because X page he have a 10 size, Y page is a uh, 11 size or 15 size. It's have a problem, and I think I certain this code, and I have a base padding options, and you can just if you can call just padding low, and my page is padding low, and all of page extent padding low, or padding medium or padding high. You don't need any right padding option. Also, of course, you need custom padding option, custom padding value. Yeah, okay, or it's you going on write constant class and declare your custom padding size. I provide you base padding options. I love that, and like duration, Flutter have beautiful animated widget, animated container, animated padding, or etc. And so you need always duration option. I wrote this duration property, and you just call the context dot duration low, duration medium. Very useful. You see that. Just call context dot. So context dot low word radius. If you write your application form, maybe login or register page, you call just context dot low border radius, and your form size have a border 10 per 10% for your device size. Other image bottom rotation. I need this extension. So my project, any project, I don't remember which one, and you can just call your image widget dot bottom or right rotation, and your image is rotate your screen, and you call just very useful. Randomly, maybe just maybe need. I I don't I don't sure that use. Okay, list extension I use more. Your list sometimes your backend is return null options or other error scenario, and is your list maybe your list value is null. You can just call values. You have a Dart provide you is empty, but your list is null. Your property throw to cache on app, and you call just values, yeah, your or any list items that is not null or empty. I check empty and not empty, empty with not empty state, and write this widget. So I added ago, maybe 1 month ago, package information extension. You call just that any string dot app version, app package number, app build number, and I getting this property, your screen or what you use widget. Text, I added validation option, but you know that validation is needs custom business is created for custom business. I don't know you want and I create some features in validation for validator. So like is not null or empty or is valid email. You know, email format globally is like the others. And what we have, share. I love share. You need, you have for example, you have any string and any URL, and you need to user press then call to website. You just call value.launch website or value.share WhatsApp. What we do share WhatsApp options. Your string share application, your phone shareable bottom sheet open. If your phone have a share WhatsApp option, call to directly open via WhatsApp, but you don't have a WhatsApp, open the bottom sheet and your phone ask you what you share, which you use share this text. Launch website like this and authorization extension. Many features there, but I just tell some features in documentation. Okay, let's look how to use. Uh, if you want more detail how to write this extension and how I think while you're writing this library, I just create Flutter chatbot gold article in Flutter community, and I told everything the what maybe generally and how to use and what you need, and or you can what you want add new features, all of them in here. You read them, you read it article, and I hope you understand library code and extension word. Okay, it's here. I added this link my videos description. Okay, let's use this library. CD, I'm going on CD desktop, CD Flutter, CD development, CD Flutter. Okay, make the Kartal example. Oh, I added, I created ago last day. Okay, Kartal example two. Okay, no, okay, Mactor. Okay, no, I don't. I wrong. No. Wait. CD Kartal example two. Okay, okay. Let's create Flutter create Kartal example two. Okay. If you write first project and after null safety, Flutter asks you if you want to null safety application on start time, just call that migrate apply changes, and your project ready to use null safety. Okay, code that. Okay, it's VS Code is open. No, it's wrong. I'm sorry. And wrong is here. CD Kartal example 2. Okay. Code that. No. Just first the write that migrate apply changes. It's working on is have any of code or any functions is migrate to null safety, but you know that it's first the project and doesn't have a code, just a sample code, counter code. You know that all Flutter project is first point of state counter project. So okay, code that. I'm open it. We have a okay. 1 minute. I'm zoom in. Change keyboard type. Zoom in. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, main that. I have my first favorite code in first time Flutter app clean all of, and I write meta application. So it's first main point, and I write 1 minute. Okay, I write folder and sample. So sample, I create it. I will create sample with that. Okay, it's ready. And call first import material kit and call stateless widget sample view. Okay, we will work on my emulator. I'm open simulator, and I love iPhone 8 because it's coming, is getting for lucky for my project. Uh, Start without debugging. Yeah, it's working on. And we will add Kartal package. If you want PubSpec YAML and you look what at version in version tab, no, installing tab, and I'll often use add and update dependency PubSpec assist in VS Code extension library. I love them because I just write if what I want, and it's getting and add my PubSpec YAML. I don't decide version or the other problem is getting last version and pubdev. No, 1 minute. It's have a problem because pubspec YAML open is conflict, create conflict, and add, add dependency and call Kartal. Okay, Kartal package is installing now. Okay, install. Wait, it's coming. Okay, it's ready. If Flutter, if you want, if you have any extension class, so maybe extension string extension on string, yeah. If you use this, you must be called, and you don't hear. Maybe you this code is here in here, your code doesn't see these features or this extension. You can call, must be call string extension, and you call your widget see that see extension features now. Okay, we know, but we don't need this extension. We use Kartal package. So you just call context extension and he's coming. Okay, is getting on. Okay, is ready. Okay, I write firstly height property, and you can call context dot dynamic height. You can look now 1 minute. I remove that, and I remove Kartal import point and context that you see that this doesn't here Kartal extension features because I don't call this library and doesn't here import point import address and just call context extension is coming here. So context dot dynamic height or any property. So dynamic height, and I set 10% on my screen, and I call in home screen sample view. Yeah, sample view, and I added on scaffold template for me for every Flutter project. No, not just me. Okay, container dynamic height, and I love app bar as I show widget, and I just adding width property, and I need my temp 2%, 13% on no 15% on my screen with size with height. So call dynamic width and just call dot 5 is mean that 15%, and I added color, and I want the color is randomly because maybe many screen is complicated, or you can draw screen and where you my widget you think it, you just call context dot random color, and you getting random color is this property, and you see that value here value your widget. Okay, what we have also, we have a keyboard open, and I wrap this widget column. Yeah, okay, and I just adding context height 02. Okay, 0 0.0.2. Okay, I'm getting on. I write text field because I call a keyboard option. Okay, is keyword text field is coming, and I have a text widget, and I want to if my keyboard open, right keyboard open. If keyboard is closed, is right keyboard is closed. Keyboard open using right is in here. Context dot is keyboard open, I call it, and is if is open keyboard open, other states keyboard dismiss. Yeah, for example. Okay, that remove that HTML, and okay, keyboard in dismiss. If you want open keyboard, just use that keyboard is open. And you want to custom styles right in this text widget, you can just call style and context dot text theme. I often that use this extension because your many Flutter application have a theme template, and you can call if you call all text in template in your theme template, your project have a base architecture, text theme and headline 3. Okay, yeah, it's very useful. Okay, headline 5 is ready. What we have, you have a for example, you have a text button. You know that text button is coming Flutter after Flutter engage, and okay, no, just text button. I want text button, and on preset option, yeah, and open. Yeah, you know that you can use this way. Open Flutter website, or open my channel, my YouTube channel. I promote my channel, and you see that wrap text widget is here. Okay, and I open my HardwareAndro is my channel. I have a lot of Flutter project, but that now support just Turkish language. I will plan. I have a plan. Share English or global content next time. Okay. Keyboard open. Just you can just call final text. Here text, and okay, is ready. Here text nokta launch dot launch website is is that is that is use very useful, very easy to use, and call HTML website, Eva text. I'm sorry, you need to restart again because this package need core dependency, native dependency, and you getting CocoaPods or other platform. Okay, maybe some your library doesn't need your library contain native code or native library. You must be open again your phone, and you're done. Is coming. And what we have, and or what we use, Kartal, and yeah, it's enough. Maybe other is like very using very like other together. Open my channel YouTube. Just you see that. Open my HardwareAndro channel. Just little use, easy use, and ready to use. Okay. Open my YouTube channel is ready, and what we have. Uh, okay, we will try image.network, and you want the padding for size, padding for view, you just call padding widget, and I said context dot low radius is ready. Context dot low radius, no, I'm sorry, low padding, low padding low. Okay, is ready. And you remember that I said 5 minutes ago, is keyboard open, and we have a duration option, so that I have a container, and I want the opacity is keyboard open, is opacity 0, is keyboard dismiss, is opacity 1, is yeah, is visible now, and just wrap widget animated container, and need the duration, and context that duration low. So animated no, animated opacity, sorry, I'm wrong. Opacity. Yeah, you need the opacity option. I take opacity, and just call is keyboard open 1 or 0. Okay, just now you see that 0 now because is keyboard open false. I can open, uh, and you see that container is visible now. And I love to visible option is very useful because you just say if your keyboard like your if any business your business call is keyboard open, you know keyboard open, your keyboard is closed, is keyboard on is not visible. So your any model if come to null, you just write model dot name is equal to null to visible. Don't visible. Maybe this business or any business, you can just to visible call and your visible widget, your widget is visible or not visible. Okay, open YouTube, my channel. Animated opacity is done. Lastly, call to image extension and image bottom rotate. You see that first one we look original image and I call bottom rotation is convert the 19 degrees in the coordinate system. Okay, is ready. And I tell just lastly feature extension and I call this code yeah, fetch dummy data. Yeah, I remove, maybe I remove that. You can just call fetch dummy data and call to build and type string, because you know that your function is return string value. You can, your callback is come return to data, but you see that data is string or nullable, because we know support null safety. You can check this. Let's final data, yeah, or if data is not null, not equal data is equal to null, doesn't equal to null, and you can write return text data, or if any problem, return Flutter or placeholder widgets. Yeah, I love placeholder. If you want the dummy widget, yeah, you use that. And loading widget, circular progress is every project using this indicator. Not found widget, not found widget. Your phone have a problem, is maybe network problem. You call this layer, and you call text doesn't have a connection, and on error maybe your widget returned to doesn't didn't return returned text string value, or return the error is getting in layer on error text error. Yeah, is very easy, and you see that you call okay and draw this widget. Okay, that's everything. I tell everything, every widget, every features for you. If you want, if you need more detail, you can look my article. You can remember I said Medium channel on Flutter community. Medium, no, Flutter. I'm confused because I'm bored. Friday, that. Where is my Flutter basket? This is my last article. I loved it because I tell basket shopping architecture and provider widgets. Very easy. Stories, publish it, and shortcut codes. Yeah, you see that. You'll read all of content, and you understand what is work, and other you learn other features. Thank you for watching. We will meet next videos. Good luck your projects, and I hope provides for I hope uh, write your project, provide your project good, provide your project for Kartal to Kartal package. Good to see you.